If you look at family offices versus VC, what was supposed to be the golden rule of family offices is lose no money. Generally, they weren't investing in anything that would be perceived as high risk. It was all about do not lose money. Do you see that that's changed at all?
I think it depends on the family office, of course. The key thing I'm seeing, which I think is really powerful, is I think the blurring of the lines to some extent is an opportunity. When I go and speak to private equity firms, when they used to be so rigid on everything they were doing beforehand, it was a hard sell to be able to convince them. But now they're open for business because they have to be. And the family offices have now stepped up into the gap where they're not operating. We're joking a little bit here about the professionalization of that conversation last night. But at the end of the day, there are some really good family offices out there now that are starting to think much more. And they're starting to attract the right people in those teams to do better deals. So don't think if you're going to a family office that it's going to be an easy ride. It won't be, because you've got other people on the side of the table there who are there to manage that investment on behalf of those families. And they are usually coming from private equity or some more sort of sophisticated background.